In this video, I want to show you how to calculate area of polygon in ArcGIS Pro. So in ArcGIS Pro, the first thing to do is to bring in your polygon. To do that, let's connect to our working folder and bring in the polygon. So if I come here, you can see catalog. If your catalog is not pinned, like my own is pinned here, what to do is to come to view and click on catalog pane. So it will open catalog for you. So the first thing is to connect to that folder. Come to this folder, let's expand it. Then right click and click on add folder connection. Navigate to your folder. In this case, I'm connecting to this folder called shapefile. I'll click on it and click on OK. So you can see that shapefile has been added to my folder connection. So if I click on this drop down, you can see my shapefile here called ArcGIS. So I can right click it and click add to current map. So you can see it has been added to my map. The next thing to do is to verify the attribute table of this shapefile. So to do that, come to the layer called ArcGIS, right click and click on open attribute table. Yes, here is the attribute table. In the attribute table, I have some fields like FID, shape, name, and density. Here I have about 21 polygons. If I want to calculate the area, there is a simple way to do it. And to do that, just come to this option called add field. So we need to add field which we will use to calculate the area of each of the polygon. So to do that, click on this add field. Then here under field name, let's call it area. Then the data type, double click here and select double. After that, click on save the modification to the table. So it has been saved. So we can close this field and come to this attribute table of our polygon. You can see that the field called area has been added to the attribute table. So now to calculate the area of each of these polygons, come to the field we created called area, right click it and click on calculate geometry. Yes, when it opens, automatically it will input our layer, which is our polygon here. Then the field we want to use is the area. So if you have another field you want to use, just click on the drop down, you select the appropriate field. So here the property, this is where you specify the parameter you want to calculate. Click on this drop down, you can see various parameters. You can see area, perimeter, and so on. So I want to calculate for area, so I'll click on area. Then here under area units, you have to specify the unit in which you want to calculate the area. So click on this drop down and select the unit of your choice. So I want to calculate it in square kilometer, and you can also calculate it in square mile depending on your needs. So I choose square kilometer. Here also you can choose the coordinate system. So the coordinate system, if you click on this drop down, you can choose the current map coordinate system or your layer coordinate system, and you can even leave it without choosing the coordinate system depending on you. So once you are done, click on OK to calculate the area of each of the polygon. Yes, you can see that the area of each of the polygon has been calculated. You can see it here. Now if I select any of the polygon like this, you can see it here. You can see it. You can see the area has been calculated in square kilometer. So let's clear the selection. So in essence, this is how to calculate area of polygon in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.